Right now we're outside. Again. You guys want to know what happened? Well, my sister was like wearing a jacket and she just... Alright. Anyways, we're outside. I don't know if you guys can see the sky, but it's all clear, no clouds, just stars. So I like it. You guys want to know what happened in my last video where I go outside in the middle of the night? Well, yeah, it's still wet though, because of the rain. So, not sure about that. Looks clear. There's the car. And it's not even raining anymore, so good news. That's for good news. Anyways, I was... Oh. Hold on, let me turn off the light. There's that big star. I don't know if you guys... Sky. That's hard to see. Yup. Right there, that's the light. Rainbow light. Right. Alright. It's a little bit chilly outside, but what the heck? Oh man. I don't want to get touched by the weeds. There. Oh heck no. Alright. Ooh, Lincoln. The other Lincolns in this city. Anyways, oh damn, why is it like Oh, okay. This was wet by the rain, so I'm not gonna touch. I already touched it, but yeah. Oh man. Well, everything over here seemed to be dry. It's a good thing there is no clouds in the sky. Well, that's good. Did I just... Oh, that was from the rain last time. Yep, that was from the rain last time. Not pretty sure we're gonna like walk around the whole entire buildings, but yeah. Gotta watch out for those rocks too, they're really hard. Alrighty. Nope. Alright, anyways, we're back. heck? Some weird just come out of nowhere. Gotta watch out. Okay. Okay, I gotta stop. Man, what a beautiful stars. I don't know you guys can. Oh, what the heck? I don't know. I don't know you guys can see the sky right now. I just saw a little plane just flashing. Okay. Heck. Just. Oh, how would you now? Alright, guys. Looks like it's time to get ready for Christmas. As you guys can see here, this guy just put up his decoration. There's a snowman, seeing a dog with that little, with the scarf, with the dog scarf. I don't know what the dog name. Oh, Max, something like that. Yeah, I think that's Max Biden, the snowman's glove. I mean scarf. Oh man. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is a sprinkler there. I don't know more about how I gotta turn on my flashlight though. What? God, it's so hard to see here. Hold on, how many percent? Okay, 19. Okay. Still good, we're still good. We're doing good here, guys. Just making sure the percent is still fine. Oh my god, okay. Seems like no one put up the Christmas decorations. Well, last Halloween, we were trick-or-treating around these apartments and nobody had decorations on it. But we still saw some. Oh wow. I don't know if you guys can hear that right now, but oh, it's the music. Oh, it's the lady right now putting up the music. Okay. My God, dog. I don't want to shine a freaking flashlight on my face. That could blur my eyes really easy, you know. Alright. Doing good. Okay, we're still walking. We just walked that way. I mean, we're just like walking past this way, so yeah. God, what is that smell? Man, that smell is horrible. It smells like smoke here. Yup. Oh my god, this is a huge, massive rain. Alright. heck is that sound? Oh, it's beeping, of course. Oh my gosh. Alright. Oh my god, there's a car there. Let me just pause the video. Oh. There was a sidewalk over here. Anyways, we're back. I had to cross the street. And yeah. Ugh. Oh my god, my cheeks are so cold, alright. Ooh, there's another sidewalk here. Anyways, I gotta turn the light off because I don't want nobody to see my light. So, yeah. Okay. I'm about to cross this. So anyways, when we're like driving down in the middle of the morning, I saw a group of white birds sitting like right here. And then all of a sudden we almost like, I don't know. So yeah. So yeah, we saw a group of white birds, and this guy almost ran them over. So I came here and I saw this guy just, I don't know, I'm just kidding, guys. Yeah, we just saw a group of white birds, like over there in that over there at that parking side that we just saw. And I was like, oh wow, we just saw a group of white birds. And I was like freaking out. So yeah, I don't know if they're there or not, but they might have ran away. Yeah, they might have ran away. Oh yeah, battery's too low. I knew it. I knew it. Oh wait, I gotta cross this. Yeah, they were like right over there, but then they left. Jeez. No wonder they were asking so loudly. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see anything right now. It's too dark. I got 15% again. Which means I cannot turn on the flashlight. Well, certainly, but yeah. Anyways, we're almost home. It's over there somewhere, but yeah. Yeah, I got some pretty cool whistling, so yeah, I think you guys can hear it. Watch me whistle. That's what my whistling sounds like, guys. And yeah, here we are at the lake. Or a pond, whatever you guys want to call it. I don't know, you guys can see the sprinkler right now. I can't zoom in because you know what happens if, oh my god. Alright. Yep, that's where across. Alright, anyways, I'm walking on the grass right now. I don't know, man. If only the construction workers just like add a sidewalk here on this grass. I just don't know. What do you guys think? I'm confused. Yeah, I'm walking on the street too. And this thing right here, you can just pretend it's a sidewalk, but not that kind of sidewalk thing. Ah, whatever, I'm just walking the street. Since there's no cars coming. Yep, we're almost there. Bye-bye, lake. Jeez, so many. Yep, no ducks or geese or white birds. They might have run home or something, yeah. Whew. Huh? Oh, okay. Oh. Oh my god, my cheeks are so cold. Alright, never mind. You know what? I'm gonna go in this way because I don't see no cars coming, like I said before over there. Whew. Yep. So yeah, guys, no ducks over here. Just yeah, they ran home. Like, I mean, it's the middle of the night because I mean, pigeons. They only come out during the day. That's why. Oh my god, my feet literally hurt so bad. Ugh. What is taking him so long? The dog. What the heck? Oh, never mind. It was just a person. Oh. Well, guys, the good news is it's not even super windy anymore. Well, that's good. Well, finally, because I had trouble breathing because I just hate super wind and stuff. I mean, you guys might have seen my last video where I made taking my dog out in a windy night. I should just edit that text in. So, yeah. So you guys might have saw my previous video, right? Check that out. It's right here, so check that out. Yeah, this gives me the crease, guys. They're having a game competition. I was so scared. Yeah, that's better. There's my dog. As you guys can see here off the sky, the clouds are really low. I'm not sure if it's gonna be lightning or not, but as you can see. But I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there's something like a competition over there. You know, guys, I have to ask you something. You know that some people just take some, you know, just, alright, you know that people, how they do games in high schools and stuff? That's them. That's actually them. But yeah, I had to put my light on right now. It's a good thing I didn't got low battery, guys. Well, lucky for me. Well, anyways, there he is. Oh god, there's a man over there with a dog. I don't know if I can trust him on that. Or a lady. So anyways, Oh, shoot. Nope. Yeah, let's go inside, Jessica. Let's go inside. Guys, you know I'm afraid of the dark and stuff. Let's go. Let's go. You always have stuff going on. What? Let's just go. Don't just stand there. Guys, you know how I'm afraid of the dark and stuff. But I know that lady said always not to be afraid. Anyways, it's about to... Is it snowing, guys? On my camera, it kind of looks like it's snowing. Yeah, there's a game competition going on over there. I mean, some high school is. Man, these streets look scary. That's kind of scary. You know I'm afraid of lightning, guys. Let's go inside. Let's go. What is wrong with this dog? I can't breathe. Let's go! He's just gonna keep sitting around? Yeah, guys. There is a game competition. I mean, yeah, I've heard some Wow! Never heard of that. Alright. Previous video. What the heck is this guy doing? Ah, never mind. I was like, what in the heck is this guy doing? He just stops there and he just pulls over there in the middle of nowhere. Jeez, it's a little bit wet here, but wet. Alright, can you guys see a little bit better? Because, I don't know. Tell me in the comments if you can see a little bit better, but it's a bit dark. Alright, I have to ask you something, guys. So, in that woods right there, I don't know if you guys can see the woods, but there is definitely alligators in there. You do never want to go in there. I mean, do you guys see the woods? Oh, yeah, I forgot. You can't see them. So, yeah, don't ever... Yeah. So, guys, don't ever go inside that woods. It's very dangerous. They have alligators there, so... I've heard that on the news. Well, I should probably not go in there because I've never seen that much alligators. I did saw one though. It was like on the pond of next to Walmart. It was just sitting there just moving. Low. Alright, so yeah. Don't go in there. It's very dangerous. There are alligators in there, so you don't want to go in there. Very, very dangerous. Anyways, we're back. Fear killing me because we just took a long walk. I kind of like it though. Not that bad. But what do you guys think of this video? Is it good? Is it weird, or is it so dark? So comment down below. Is it? Yeah, I don't know. Well, it's not that weird though, but anyways, it's about to get dark. Well, yeah, the sun is already set though, because you guys want to know, right? The sun is like a big star. Not a planet though. It's just a star. And oh my god. I don't know if you guys can see this bird right here, but those are cactuses. Hold on, let me just... Yeah, right there. Those are cactuses. I wonder what they're doing here. Like, last thing I remembered cactus are in like some deserts or sands or whatever, they don't belong here. Like, I see one over there, and I see one too. This is just getting weird, guys. Why would a cactus be here in Florida? That doesn't make any sense. Well, did they go? Did they go on deserts and stuff like that? Yeah, something like that. What's taking so long? Oh yeah, he's staring at the stars. That's what's making him taking so long. Ew. Jeez. Well, yep. It's a good thing they put up Christmas decorations on. Good. But when I come over here, guys. So yeah, I met this lady here because my dog was like, and when I came out, I heard like a video, and I was like, how the heck? And yeah, right there, 2 cactuses. They belong in deserts, not in Florida. That doesn't make any sense. Comments down below. Do cactus belong in Florida or deserts? Or in snow? I still don't know, but yeah. Alright, the correct answer is deserts. Because cactuses needs to be in deserts because they don't belong in Florida. They don't belong in snow. They don't belong in Florida. They only stay on deserts, guys. Yeah. This is so stupid.